gallon here.
Thank you.
So we're doing date night. I don't know if you can even hear me. It's very loud in here.
Silly Al's Pizza, Quartzsite. We don't know what it's like yet.
We heard that it was good.
It's supposed to be really good.
Yep, but it's a very loud place. There's lots of people. And we were noticing we're almost the youngest people here.
Stop it.
Oh my gosh, I'm full. It was good pizza, but that place is so loud. Oh my gosh.
It's a great place, though. It's a great place.
Fun atmosphere. We had a great waiter. I think his name is Russo.
Incredible.
And, yeah, it was good pizza. And
The
we
wings
got
were
too.
unbelievable.
But it's loud. I need to go take some Advil. Wow. Sun is getting ready to set. So once again, this place is called Silly Al in Quartzsite. It is across from Dorothy and Toto's ice cream shop and leather. Ooh, and kettle corn. Kettle corn year round. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Not just at events. Look, they got a big saguaro cactus right there. Silly owls. Now we are on a quest for milk. So, I think there's like a Family Dollar or Dollar General or something up here. We'll go try there. If not, I don't know, we'll end up paying like $5 for a half gallon somewhere.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good on the rest of our groceries, but milk, not so much. So there's the big laundromat where we went and did our laundry a couple years ago. Right there.
We haven't done it since then.
Hey, there's a market. Okay, so we'll have to look in there if we can't find this other place. There's Family Dollar right there, so maybe they've got milk. Well, we couldn't find fat-free milk. They only had 2% in whole milk, and it was what, $2.40 and $3. The prices were weird. So anyway, we're not even sure how much it was. So we're gonna go down to that little market and see if we have better luck over there. Probably nobody has fat-free here, because who drinks fat-free milk?
Me.
So we're gonna try this place. Got milk? Yep, we got milk.
Fat-free milk, because I'm fat. I'm a fat head.
No, stop it. Boy, got all kinds of stuff on their bulletin board here.
This guy can probably get it done.
He can do that. So this is that little market, groceries, liquor, ice. They have all kinds of baked goods in there too. It was very hard to resist. The sunset. Driving off into the sunset.